watching. Failure undetermined.
Hey everyone, today's Saturday, which means it's another shoulder day. Unfortunately, I don't have a training partner today, so I'm going to take this opportunity to add some intensity to my workout. Yeah, sounds good. So what I got on the menu right now is I got my log press, I got some dumbbell shoulder press, I got some rear delt flies, and I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to do some light deadlifts. I love deadlifts. If I can get back, really that's the goal, to get back to where I can actually start deadlifting again comfortably. But if you watched my first video, you would know that deadlifts and squats is what helped me turn my back, because I just went too intense with it. So I've been really kind of like taking it easy with those workouts, really, just because I don't want to put too much weight, and I don't want to like what's the word? It's not just weight. I don't want to injure my back, my lower back again. So I'm just really trying to take it light and really work on form and technique. So we're going to see what happens with those today. I don't think I'm going to go very high. I might go up to like 200 and something pounds maybe. If I'm feeling pretty good, I might go up, but I really don't see that happening, just because my stomach is just too big right now in order to have like a comfortable form with lifting those. So we'll see what happens. I also want to do sandbags over the yoke. However, because I'm wanting to up my intensity, I think I'm actually going to superset my log press and my sandbags. What am I getting myself into? I'm going to get the garage gym set up, move this yoke around to where I can actually use it, along with the sandbags. So do a little bit of finagling. All right, so the goal right now is to superset the log with the sandbags. I want to say light today, just to try to get a pump. Since I got a new PR last week, I don't want to keep just going for heavier weights and just keep going for PR. I want to get some intensity in. I want to get my blood pumping, get a nice pump in on my shoulders and stuff, and yeah, just burn some calories. That's the goal for today. I'm going to record everything, my heart rate and everything, with my watch, and then we'll see what my calories burn, or estimated calories burn, at the end of the workout is. Here we go. So in between sets, shit, I don't want to come down too much. I'm just going to do the talk test. So when I'm able to talk without breathing, like trying to catch my breath, I think I'll be good to start the next one. So here in a second. I added 10 pounds on each side, so log press, I'm at 90. Let's get it going. Third set. I'm adding 20 pounds to the log. It's going to be up to 110. All right, let's go. I'm kicking my own ass. Shit. Want to do? Oh God. I want to do 2 more sets. I'm not going to go up and weight on the log this set because I think I only got like 8 on the last one. I was wanting to get 10, but I just ran out of oxygen in my muscles and they just didn't want to work. So this one I'm going to try to go for 10 again. See what happens. And then get another 10 on the sandbags. Oh. Yeah. Set 4. Got 1 left. Whew. This feels great. This feels amazing. Whew. I'm not tired. No. Oh, this is easy. I think I'm going cross-eyed. Oh. I've been going for 20 minutes now. Watch is saying I burned 222 calories so far. I don't know how accurate that is. I think it just goes off my weight and my oh shit, my heart rate, the heart rate variability. Then again, I always do like a negative, like a little negative amount with everything. I just assume it's like calculating about or potentially 100 calories more than what it should. So I just put like a little negative on there. Oh shit. Same with when I'm like meal prepping. Because like if you look up nutrients, every website's got a different amount of, like, for example, diced chicken. You know, you can look up 1 cup of diced chicken, and each website's going to have a different amount of protein, different amount of fats. And when I calculate my total, I try to, or like calorie intake or whatever with meals, I try to take the average and then do a negative on it. And it's easy to do that because I'm at a deficit right now in calories. Oh, shit. So even if it was accurate and I took like 100 to 200 calories off total, I'm at a deficit of like 500 or 600 calories, around that, for my maintenance weight, for how much I got to eat just to maintain my weight without working out. So yeah, I'm definitely going to go up in weight. I just don't know if I want to go up 10 pounds or 20 pounds. I think I got 8. I think I got 8 on that last set of vlog. I think I want to add 20 pounds. I think I've taken a little bit longer of a break than I did in my last set. Oh, shit. And we'll add 20 pounds and then get my last set cranking. Whew. So that puts me at 130 pounds on the log. Oh, and if you're wondering, the sandbag I'm lifting, it only weighs like 80 pounds. I think the bag, if you had only sand in it, it goes up to 150. But for both of my sandbags, I layered it with rubber crumb, which takes up a higher amount of volume. But I did that to make the weight kind of like imbalanced and to bring the weight kind of down on it. Just 2 reasons why, but let's get this cranked out. Shit. Oh shit. Seven. My camera overheated. Guess I'm not the only thing hot in this gym. Oh, shit. Don't roast me, please. Well, I got my 5th set done. Had one heck of a drop off on that log press. I think I only got 5. I'm gonna have to count it. I'm gonna have to recount the reps in editing, but yeah, I just got gassed. So we'll want to move this yoke, move some stuff around, put that log up. So I want to move on to my dumbbell shoulder press, and then after that I want to move to rear delt flies, and then we'll go to deadlifts after that. Got everything set up. The camera kind of cooled down a little bit. Hopefully I don't have another overheating episode. That's gonna suck if I do. Might have to look into getting like maybe another camera like down the road if it becomes an issue. I know in my last video we tried to keep the video clips short, but you know, with having like Buddha here or somebody that could actually work the camera, just move this, work the camera and actually get good shots and stuff. I mean, we were able to hit it, get what we needed, and turn it off, but just working out by myself was kind of difficult to do all that because I can't hold the camera and work out at the same time. So I'm really limited on what I can do by myself camera wise. All right, we're gonna move to the dumbbell shoulder press. I don't know why I couldn't think of what they were called, but dumbbell shoulder press. I'm gonna try to get 3 to 5 sets think I might go for 5, just because since I had a higher intensity with the log press, I really didn't get to focus on getting a pump. It was more of just trying to like tire myself out, get my heart going. So this is where I'm gonna try to focus on getting a pump, work on my delts, and yeah, enjoy. I feel like I'm gonna get a really good pump today. I'm already feeling it, like kind of the blood working its way to my shoulders. I can't wait until I can actually like see the progress in my muscles. I just got to lose some more weight, cut back on fat. All right, going to get another set in on the shoulder dumbbell press. I think I'm going to stick on the same weight on this one, and then I'm going to go up my next set. I really want to count how many I'm actually going to get, because I was kind of like wonky with that first set, so I'll consider it as a warm-up. Should only get 20. I'll do a little pause in there, try to get a stretch on my delts. Yeah, I'm definitely going to move up in weight. Add those in and then lower my rep range. Let's get the weight. So that puts me at 55 pounds on each dumbbell. I got 20 reps with 35, and I want to have less reps than that. Really want to work for it, and I want to go to a point of failure where my muscles are actually like not able to go. So I felt like 20 pounds. That's a really good jump. Hopefully it's not too big of a jump. I guess we'll see here. But this is my third set. Fourth set. Oh. Oh, no, 8. That's the number. Feels great to be working out. Able to see outside. I mean, I'm seeing my neighbors' houses, but still nice. It's a really good day. But personally, I'm partial to rainy days. And just like the mugginess, it's just perfect. I love it. It's probably because I got blue eyes. And I'm like, if it's like a really bright day, I'm gonna be constantly squinting like that. So like lower lighting, it's easy for me to keep my eyes open wide. Not have to worry about it. Set 5, going on the shoulder press, and then we'll move on to rear delts of the flies. Ha ha ha. Hey. Feels great. Shoo. All right, first set for rear delts. I'm just going to use the bars, 15 pounds. Get a good muscle mind connection. See how many reps I can get. Focus on getting that burn. And I got 10 of them. Focused on flexing the muscle at the top. That's a hard workout. I think I prefer the side raises and then squeezing the pinky. That little trick, because I can feel when you squeeze the pinky and you don't squeeze as much on the middle finger and the index, it puts the weight into your rear delt I think I like that better. Like even just doing this right here, and squeezing my pinky, I can feel my muscle flexing. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, my left's definitely not going high enough either. At least not as high as my right. Oh. I've been working out for, or timed, actual working out, an hour and 10 minutes. And I want a deadlift and do a row. I'm just gonna do one more on the rear delt. I only wanted to get 3 anyways. All right, last set of the rear delts. Let's get it going. All right, let's move on to deads, see what happens with those. I'm starting to get exhausted. I'm kind of not quite fasted right now. I had a smoothie this morning. I had my 2 cups of spinach, 2 cups of orange juice, and half a banana. I had that, but I didn't have a lot of carbs yesterday, so I'm a little worn out right now. I drank that smoothie before I started because I wanted a little bit of carbs. I wanted a little bit of energy to get the gears going. I don't quite know how I feel about that. I feel like I lifted more with my lower back than I did hamstrings and glutes. Need to be able to get lower down to lift with those. Maybe do a couple more of these to warm up, and then add a little bit of weight. See how I feel. Actually felt really good after I brought my hands a little bit closer. My knees weren't in the way of my arms when I brought them in. I feel a little bit better. I think my form several years ago, my legs were usually closer in, and my arms were out a little bit wider, but I was smaller then too, and didn't have as large of a stomach. So I think my stomach is causing my stance to be wider, so now I have to come in with my arms. But that actually felt comfortable. I want to run with that. Add a little bit of weight. Went up 50 pounds. I was already at 155, so it's 205. It's not too heavy, but we'll see how it feels to go up 50 pounds. That felt really good. I can go up. I'm gonna go up and wait. Quite a jump. Went from 205 to 265 at 55 pounds. I think this is gonna be the heaviest deadlift I've done in 2 years. Sounds about right. Yeah. Heaviest deadlift in 2 years, so it's a gym PR. What is up with this week in PRs, baby? Shit. I gotta get used to the hook grip again. Dang. Shoo. Daggone. That felt good. Huh. Back's not hurting right now. Feel very balanced. That felt really good. .305 on the bar. I'll lift this for one, see how it feels. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah, that feels great. I can keep going up, but I'm actually out of time for the day, so I'm not gonna get the row in. We'll have to get on another day. Started off strong with the log and the sandbags, and just slowed too far down with the deadlift, and I had to stop to use the restroom. So, but I'll make up for it another day. We're gonna get something, some sustenance, something to eat. I got 2 cups of chicken and a cup of rice waiting for me. That sounds good. I'm starving right now. Looks like I burned, as soon as I save it, I burned 1,205 calories in this workout. I don't know how accurate that is. I feel like it's quite a bit, but I mean, I guess I have been working out for like 2 hours and something. So, yeah, I feel like that's pretty good. I'll make up for missing the row another day. But let's put the deadlift up on the board. 305 is a pretty good number, especially starting out. I feel like it's really good, and I have an idea of how my form's going to be from now on too. So made a lot of progress today. I'm really happy about. So yep, let's put that 305 on the board. Deadlift, 305 pounds times 1. I really am happy about that. And to know that, you know, I could have gone up. It's a good feeling for the next time I do deadlifts. It's good motivation to maybe have like a dedicated, you know, instead of squats, I might just have like a dedicated deadlift day just to test my strength instead of just playing around like I did today. If you like the video, you know, drop a like on there. If you want to follow my journey, you know, please subscribe. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.